Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Pinterest audio not available in your location. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is just simply heading over to the App Store and on the search bar simply type in Pinterest. And once the app loads, all you gotta do is tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will probably fix the issue. But if you are still having the issue, then what you can do is just simply download the app, a third-party VPN app like this, and then all you gotta do is just simply select a country or simply select the button and then connect the VPN to another country. And what this does, it changes your IP address from your current country to the country that you have selected. And what this does, it changes your location. And now with the help of this, you can add audios that are not available in your location. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.